Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1 conditional probability 11th problem. A fire die is rolled. Consider events E is equal to 135, F is equal to 2, 3, G is equal to 3, 4, 5. Find P of E given F and P of F given E. P of E given G and P of G given E. Next P of E union F given G and P of E intersection F given G. First, when a fair die is rolled, then what is sample space? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means number of sample points are 6. Among these, consider the events E is equal to 1, 3, 5. Second event is F is equal to 2, 3 and G is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first one, find P of E given F. E given F means E intersection F by P of F. So E intersection F is equal to E is 1, 3, 5, intersection F is 2, 3. So what are the common elements between these two sets? 3 is the common elements. So number of elements in E intersection F are 1. Next, E intersection G. So common elements between E and G. E is 1, 3, 5. Set E is 1, 3, 5. Set G is 2, 3, 4, 5. Then common elements between E and G are 3, 5. So number of elements in common elements in E intersection G are 2. Next, E union F. E is 1, 3, 5. Union F is 2, 3. Then what is E union F? 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, E union F intersection G is how much? E union F is 1, 2, 3, 5. Intersection G is 2, 3, 4, 5. So E union F intersection G is 2, 3, 5. So number of elements in E union F intersection G is equal to how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. Next, E intersection F. E intersection F. E is 1, 3, 5. Intersection F is 2, 3. Then what is E intersection F? E intersection F is 3. So number of elements common to E and F are 1. Now first find the first question. P of E given F. Formula is P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F means N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. So N of E intersection F, number of elements in E intersection F are 1 by N of S is 6. 1 by 6 by N of F. Number of elements in F is 2. 2 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. Answer is 1 by 2. Second question is P of F given E. P of F given E. P of F given E is equal to P of E intersection F by P of E. That means N of E intersection F by N of S by N of E by N of S. N of E by N of S. N of E intersection F, how many elements are there? E intersection F 1. 1 by 6 by n of e, number of elements in set here 3 elements by 6. 6 gets cancelled, answer is 1 by 3. Next, second question is P of E given G. E given G. That means P of E intersection G by P of G. P of E intersection G means n of E intersection G by n of S by n of G by n of S. So n of E intersection G, how many elements are there? Number of elements in E intersection G are 2 out of 6 by n of G. Number of elements in set G are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. 2 times gets cancelled. So answer is 1 by 2. In the second one more is a P of G given E. P of G given E is equal to P of G intersection E by P of E. P of E. That means n of G intersection E by n of S by n of E by n of S. So n of G intersection E. G intersection E, how many elements are there? 2. 2 by 6 by n of E. Number of elements in set E are 3. 3 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. Answer is 2 by 3. Third question, P of E union F given G is equal to P of E union F intersection G by P of G by P of G. So that means number of elements in E union F intersection G by n of S by n of G by n of S. N of G by n of S. So here number of elements in E union F intersection G are 3. 3 by 6 by n of G. Number of elements in G. Set G are 4. 4 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. Answer is 3 by 4. Next, third second one. N of P of E intersection F given G is equal to P of E intersection F intersection G by P of G by P of G. That means n of E intersection F intersection G by n of S by n of G by n of S. N of S. E intersection F is E intersection F is only 3. Set 3. Intersection G for this and this common element is 3. So that means 1 by 6 by n of G. N of G. Number of elements in G are 4. 4 by 6. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Next, assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl if a family has 2 children. What is the conditional probability that both are girls, given that the youngest child is a girl? Second question is at least one is a girl. So assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. Family has how many children? 2 children. So that means what is the sample space? That two children may be either boy or boy girl or girl boy or girl girl. Before this you write this line. Let G comma B denotes boy or boy and girl and boy, girl respectively. Then what is the sample space? So family has two children means either the two children may be either both are girls or girl boy or boy girl or boy boy. Next, what is the conditional probability? Conditional probability. In conditional probability, this is the key word. Before this given, after the given. Before the given, what is given? Both are girls. So let event E denotes both are girls. Both are girls means how many sample points are there? Only one. What is that? G. So number of sample points are in E are 1. Next, after given, first question is the youngest child is a girl. So first question, youngest child, let event F denotes youngest is a girl. So F is equal to, if you take these sample points, youngest is girl. Next, if you take these sample points, here elder is girl, eldest means boy. Here if you take these sample points, youngest is girl. So next baby, no girls are here. So number of sample points in F are 2. Number of sample points are 2. Next, what is E intersection F? E is GG intersection, F is GG BG. So number common sample point is GG. Number of sample points in E intersection F are 1. Therefore, what to find? Probability P that both are girls. Both are girls means event E, probability of both are girls given symbol. The youngest child is a girl. That means E given F. P of E given F is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F means N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. What is P of E? N of E intersection F value? 1 by N of S value. N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of sample points are 4. 1 by 4 by N of F. Number of sample points are 2 by 4. So answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next, second question. Here, second question given. After given, second question is at least one girl. Let in second question event F denotes at least one girl. Then what is F is equal to at least one means minimum one. Minimum one girl means two girls will come, or girl boy or boy girl. So number of sample points are 3. Next, E intersection F is E intersection F. E is how much? E is GG. Intersection F is GG, BG and GB. So common sample point is GG. E intersection F. Next, probability of both are girls means event E given symbol. Next, at least one is a girl. That means F. What is the formula for this? P of E given F by P of F. So what is the formula for P of E intersection F? N of E intersection F. So number of sample points, how many are there here? 1. So 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 Here sample points are 4, 1 by 4 by P of F. Number of sample points are 3 by 4. 4, 4 gets cancelled. Answer is 1 by 3. Next, question number 13. An instructor has a question bank consisting of 300 easy true or false questions, 200 difficult true or false questions, 500 easy multiple choice questions, 400 difficult multiple choice questions. If a question is selected random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be an easy question given? This is the important keyword in conditional probability. Before given, after given. After probability, before given one event, after this keyword, next event is event F. Before this event E we have to consider. So if you come to the question, total how many questions are there in the sample points? Number of sample points. Number of sample points. S is equal to, so total how many questions are there? 300 easy questions. 300 easy questions plus 300 plus 200 plus 500 plus 400. So total 5, 10, 1400. So this is equal to N of S. So N of S is equal to 1400 questions total. So if a question is selected random from the question bank, what is the probability? Probability that it will be an easy question. After probability, so take probability means P. It will be an easy question. Let E denotes the easy questions. Easy question. Event E. Let event E denote the easy question. So how many easy questions are there total? Easy questions 300 are here. 300. Next 500 easy questions are there. So total 800. 300 plus 500. Total 800 easy questions are there. Number of easy questions are 800. Next, given that after this keyword, which statement is there? That is event F. So it is a multiple choice question. Let event F denotes the multiple choice question. Let event F denotes the multiple choice question. So how many multiple choice questions are there total? 500 plus 400. 500 plus 400. Total 900 multiple choice questions are there. N of F. Next, what is E intersection F? This is very, very important. E denotes easy questions, F denotes multiple choice questions. So what is the common point between these two? Easy question and it should be multiple choice question. Easy question and intersection means and. Multiple choice question. Easy and multiple choice questions, how many are there? Easy multiple choice questions are 500. Number of easy and multiple choice questions are 500. So therefore, probability of easy question, probability of event E denotes easy questions given it is a multiple choice question. F is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. That means N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. N of E intersection F, how many questions are there? 500 out of 1400 by N of F. Number of elements in F is 900. 900 by 1400. 1400 gets cancelled. 0 gets cancelled. Answer is 5 by 9. Next, problem number 14. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice. See here, keyword given is in the starting only. Are different. find the probability of an event. The sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. When two dice are rolled, so what are the sample points? Die 1, die 2, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. So total number of sample points in sample space, how many will come? 36 will come when two dice are rolled. Next, let E denote the, so observe the keyword, find the probability of an event that sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Event E denote sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. So what is event E? If you take 1 comma 3, sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, if you take 2 comma 2, sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Next, if you take 3 comma 1, sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. So these are the sample points for E. Next, given. So after given, before given, probability. P for probability. Probability of an event. What is that event? E. Probability of event E. What is event E? Sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Next, given. So after given keyword, what is there? Two numbers appearing on. Event EF denotes the two numbers appearing on. Throwing two dice are different. If you take sample point 1 comma 1, both dice are showing same numbers. Next, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So these sample points denotes the same numbers on the both the dice. That's why eliminate these 6 sample points. Remaining total sample points are how many are there? Number of sample points are 30. So P of E given F is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. So what is the formula for this? N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. So next, E intersection F. For E and F, how many common sample points are there? 1 comma 3 is common. Next, 2 comma 2 is not there here. Next, 3 comma 1 is also a common sample point. So number of sample points in E intersection F are 2. So 2 by N of S is 36 by N of F. Number of sample points in F are 30 by 36. So 2 by 36, 2 by 36 by 30 by 36. Both gets cancelled. 2 by 30, that means 1 by 15 is the answer for the 14th problem. Next problem, 15th. Consider the experiment of throwing a die. So when a die is thrown, number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, if a multiple of 3 comes, throw the die again. Multiple of 3 means 3 and 6, correct? If 3 and comes, throw the die again. So die means again 6 sample points will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If any other number comes, any other number means 1 or 2 or 4 or 6. If any other number comes, toss a coin. So toss a coin. Coin means either head or tail are the sample points. Find the conditional probability that coin shows probability of an event that coin shows a tail, given that at least one die shows a 3. So first write the sample point for this experiment. So what is the sample space? 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6 are 1 comma head, 1 sample point, 1H, 2H, 4H, 5H are 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T. So these are the sample points. Total how many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Number of sample points are 20 sample points. Next, probability, conditional probability that event of a coin shows a tail. Let an event E denotes, let an event E denotes the coin shows a tail. The coin shows a tail. Coin shows a tail. E is equal to, so coin shows a tail means 1 comma T, 2 comma T, 3 comma T, 4, sorry here 4 comma T and 5 comma T. 1 comma T, this is 4 comma T and 5 comma T. Next, so number of sample points are 4. Next, F. What is event F denotes? Let an event F denotes after the keyword given, what is there? That is event F. At least one die, at least one die shows a 3. Shows a 3. That means what is event F? Event F. At least one die shows 3 means 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. Next 6, 3. 6, 3. So total number of sample points are 7. N of F is equal to 7. Total number of sample points are 7. Next, E intersection F. How many sample points are there? E intersection F. 1 comma T. Sorry, at least one is there, no? So 6 comma 3 and at least one die shows 3. E intersection F is, so is there any common elements between E and F? There is no common elements between set E and set F. 1 comma T is not there, 2 comma T is not there, 4 comma T is not there and 5 comma T is not there. Therefore E intersection F is null set. That means number of elements in E intersection F are 0, no common elements. Next, probability of an event that coin shows a tail. Event E denotes the coin shows a tail. Probability of event E show tail. Next to the given at least one die shows 3. At least one die shows 3 means F. P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E given F is equal to N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of F by N of S. So here 0 by total sample points are 20. by 0 by 20 by n of f. N of f, number of sample points are 7. 7 by 20. 20, 20 gets cancelled. 0 by 7 means 0. 0 is the answer for the probability. Next problem. If P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 0, then P of A given B is how much? So P of A given B is equal to formula P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B by P of B value is given. P of B is how much? 0. P of B value is 0. Anything by 0 not defined. So option C is correct. Problem. If A and B are events such that P of A given B is equal to P of B given A, given P of A given B is equal to P of B given A. P of A given B means P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to P of B intersection A by P of A. So we know that P of A intersection B is also equal to P of B intersection A. Both are equal. If they are equal, we can cancel them. So 1 by P of B is equal to 1 by P of A. By cross multiplying, P of A is equal to P of B. So option D is correct.